Hello, 抹茶侍です。Today, I'm going to introduce you Particle no. The biggest reason I'm making this video is because I got a few messages like this. It's so nice to know what everyone wants to learn. Please give me requests, questions, feedback in the comment section below. That will be great! Hey! Particle no connects two nouns. Usually it appears as this form. So, particle no locates between two nouns. This form acts just like a big noun, like as I said. Example sentence. ゆうこさんのお母さんは小学校の先生です。ゆうこさんのお母さんは小学校の先生です。ゆうこさんのお母さんは小学校の先生です。Yuko's mom is an elementary school teacher. More examples. 浅草行きたいな。I am going to read the example sentences 3 times each. 例文は3回読みます。First, I will read with natural speed Japanese. 最初は自然なスピードで読みます。Then, I will read with slower speed Japanese. 次に、ゆっくりとした日本語で読みます。Lastly, I will read with natural speed again. 最後にもう一度、自然なスピードで読み上げます。I recommend you to repeat after me for your practice. 練習のために私の後に続いて音読することをお勧めいたします。サトシの本。サトシの本。サトシの本。Satoshi's book. For the 音読み。本。For the 訓読み。元。book, books. 私の妹の電話番号。私の妹の電話番号。私の妹の電話番号。My sister's phone number. Actually, there are multiple ways to say sister in Japanese. If it's a little sister, it's always 妹. But if it's a big sister, you'd say 姉 for a formal Japanese, or you can casually say お姉ちゃん or お姉さん. Be careful though. Usually you can only say 姉 as your own sister for a conversation. If you'd like to mention someone else's sister, you would better call them their お姉さん for both formal and casual Japanese, and sometimes お姉様 for most formal Japanese. There are rules for how to say brother and sibling in Japanese too. I'll explain it in the other video in the future. 電話番号電話番号電話番号 telephone number telephone numbers 日本の高校日本の高校日本の高校 A high school in Japan 日本日本日本 Japan 映画のタイトル映画のタイトル映画のタイトル A title of the movie あなたの部屋は何階ですか？あなたの部屋は何階ですか？あなたの部屋は何階ですか？ Which floor is your room on? 部屋部屋部屋 room rooms この漢字の意味を教えてください。この漢字の意味を教えてください。この漢字の意味を教えてください。Can you tell me the meaning of this 漢字？漢字漢字漢字 Chinese character 漢字まゆみさんの旦那さんの名前はひろしさんです。まゆみさんの旦那さんの名前はひろしさんです。まゆみさんの旦那さんの名前はひろしさんです。Mayumi's husband's name is Hiroshi. 名前名前名前 name names Remember, particle no creates a possessive phrase or a modifier phrase. I hope this video was helpful. この動画がお役に立てていれば嬉しいです。わー Don't forget the good button please. はい。ではまたすぐに会いましょう。See you soon. Bye.